little learners, welcome to your own channel Kidocti Homeschooling. Read and rhyme. Yes, who is this? It is a cat playing with that red ball. Cat. The cat is fat. So what you are saying? At. You are saying at the end the sound is same. K at. F at. So the cat is fat. The cat is on the mat. Where is the mat? Yes, this one is the mat. Now we are going to read these sentences. So repeat with me, my little ones. A bag. The bag has a tag. The bag has a tag. Where is the tag? Here is the tag. The bag is on the rag. Okay, here is the rag. Okay, once again we are going to read a bag. The bag has a tag. The bag is on the rack. Good job. A man. The man has a can. The man has a can. Here is the can. The man is running after the van. Where is the van? Here is the van. A bell. This is a bell. The bell fell. So the bell fell. The bell fell in the well. A bell. The bell fell. The bell fell in the well. Good job. We will read these sentences. A bed. So this is a bed. The bed is red. So the bed color is red. Ted fed on the bed. So who is Ted? The boy's name is Ted and he is eating on the bed. That's why it's written Ted fed on the bed. Good job. A bug. This is a bug. The bug is on the jug. The bug is on the jug. The jug is on the rug. Where is the rug? Here is the rug. Now we will read a fig. The big fig. The big fig is on the twig. So, these are the figs. They are on the twig. Okay? Good job. Now, we are going to read these sentences. Are you ready? Okay, read with me. A pin. Where is the pin? Yes. The pin is on the tin. This is the tin. Throw the pin in the bin. Okay. Once again we are going to read a pin. The pin is on the tin. Throw the pin in the bin. Good job, my little ones. I hope you learn a lot how to read sentences. Thank you for watching, my little ones.